Get face-to-face with the new face of Gravely Pro Turns. Inspired, engineered, and built for professionals. This is the Gravely Pro Turn 400. Put your worries to rest with an all-steel, fully welded deck. Sit back and relax atop the industry's first air ride suspension seat. Keep your belt tight and your cutting precision tighter with an all-new CBT system. Raise and lower the deck with 25% less effort. Enjoy the heavy-duty comfort and confidence of a steel tubular frame. Roll like a pro with the automotive handling of radial rear tires. Experience the next generation of zero-turn performance, the Pro Turn 400. Only from Gravely, driven from within.